Dubious ones, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a little unboxing of the wonderful Hohem V3, the iSteady with AI tracking. This is a beautiful smartphone gimbal that I just purchased, and now we're gonna unbox this bad boy. If I can. That is, there we go. A nice satisfying peel. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at this bad boy. We are excited for our brand new gimbal to go with our brand new phone. The Google Pixel 8 Pro, if you were wondering. Alright, so looks like we're unboxing from here. We got a little tape right here. Get rid of that. Maybe not the best box cutter in the world, but that's alright. There we go. And a nice smooth, so you can get that shot. Beautiful. Look at that. So we got our V3 first use little QR code here. We got some cool QR codes in there for us. And then we got our Hohem iSteady V3 AI tracking smartphone gimbal little booklet here. And then we've got our iSteady V3 warning and disclaimer and specifications and warranty terms right here. And then we have, I believe is our charging cables. We will open in a second. And then we've got the Hohem iSteady V3 right there. So let's first open this bad boy right here. So it looks like we've got some microfiber cloth, perhaps. Oh no, this is just a bag. Is this to hold the whole, okay, this is to hold the whole gimbal in. So it comes with a nice carrying case. It's nice. Nice material. Feels nice, nice color. I like that. And then we've got, yep, just our USB charging case. As you can see, nothing else left in there. So I'm guessing this is a, is it a USB-C cable? That's what I would assume. It's a newer product. Okay, so it's it's USB-C to USB. There you go. Unlike the USB-C to C that you get nowadays that came with my phone, and you get a little Allen key. So that's neat. That's what came in this guy right here. So we'll just put that back for now. Wonderful. Very, very exciting stuff. Get that put back. Nice resealable kinda with the glue still on there. So we'll put that back in here for now. And now on to the good stuff. We've got our beautiful iSteady V3. And there we go. That's everything from the box. Let's open this bad boy here. There we go. The old iSteady. V3, baby. Ooh, and look at that. Nice black finish. Matches my phone. Well, actually, no, matches my phone case, not the phone necessarily. But a beautiful Hohem iSteady with removable remote control. I like that very much. Magnetic, as you can see here. Very good for those steady shots. And it just locks back in there. Cool. And we've got the tripod that opens from the bottom. One of the coolest features that came with it, as you can use a standard tripod. It does have the screw in there if you have your own tripod already, but it comes with its own, which to me, the all-in-one features is really what sold me on this thing. And then of course we've got the selfie stick built in, which makes for some more incredible shots. And as you can see, full length ear to ear if you were to stand it up. So we can try and move my keyboard. Desk is a little bit of a mess, but as you can see, standing up on its tripod. See if I can angle that down a little bit. This doesn't want to move too much, but you can get an idea here. It's a pretty good size. Selfie stick is nice and long. I'm a big fan of the built-in tripod. Pretty easy just to slide them right back in there. And then, boom, you got your gimbal. So you can take cute pictures of adorable little kittens like that. You can get your beautiful steady shots when you're taking your video, going for a run, whatever it is. And as you can see, it's got the AI light included with it. Very cool stuff. I'm very, very excited to give this thing a little spin, but definitely one of the best gimbals on the market in my opinion. I've never owned one before. This is my first, but this is definitely the removable remote control here is really one of the big selling features, as well as the built-in selfie stick. And of course the AI control for the price point on these guys really couldn't be beat. So big fan. This is not a sponsored video. I did purchase this myself. Just very, very excited to get to use it and wanted to share the unboxing with you guys. So as you can see, nothing left in the box. That's it, that's all. Dubious ones. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will catch you all in the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the like, share the video with your friends. Catch you in the next one. Dubious ones. My kitty's going crazy. We'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.